In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for personal tasks 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple but powerful personal task board that keeps all your to-dos in one organized place. Start by logging into your Monday.com account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your list of workspaces. Choose the workspace where you want your personal tasks to live. On the right side of that workspace's name, click the small plus icon. A menu will appear. Hover over board, then click New Board. A pop-up window opens and asks how you want to create it. You'll see an option to create a board with AI or to create it manually. For this setup, choose the manual option so you have full control. Give your board a clear name, something like personal tasks or life management. Then select what you're managing on this board, such as tasks or projects, and choose a privacy type, depending on whether you want this to be visible just to you or to others in the workspace. When you're happy with the settings, click Create Board. Now you have a blank board, and it's time to add the columns you need. Look to the far right of your columns and click the plus icon. This lets you choose or search for different column types. Use the default item column for your task name. Add a status column so you can track where each task is. For example, to do, in progress, done, or skipped. Add a date or timeline column so you can set due dates or schedule tasks. If you share responsibilities, add a people column to assign tasks to family members or roommates. Use tags or a drop-down column to categorize tasks like home, work, fitness, or personal development. A numbers or priority column can help you track priority level or estimate time needed. Add a text or notes column for extra details or instructions, and a files column if you want to attach documents, receipts, or images. You can always adjust these later. To delete a column, hover over its header, click the More Options icon, and choose Delete. To rename a column, click directly on the header and type. To add or edit a value in any column, click in the cell beneath it. To rearrange columns, hover over the header until your cursor turns into a hand, then drag and drop it left or right. Next, organize your tasks using groups. Groups are sections on your board that help you separate tasks by time, type, or priority. For example, you can create groups like today, this week, and later to organize by time. Or set up work, personal, and home groups to separate life areas. You can also group by priority, such as high priority, medium, and low. Use whichever structure makes it easiest for you to scan your board and know what to focus on first. Once your board has some tasks in it, start using views to plan more effectively. At the top of the board, you can add different views. The calendar view lets you see tasks laid out by day or week, which is great for spotting busy days. A Kanban or status view shows your tasks as cards moving from to do to in progress to done, which is very useful for visual progress tracking. The timeline view is ideal if you have tasks or projects that span multiple days. And a dashboard view lets you track overall progress, completed tasks, or personal goals at a glance. Finally, remember that this board is completely flexible. You can tweak the columns, groups, and views anytime as your personal needs change. Start simple, use it for a few days, and then refine the setup so it truly supports the way you live and work.